Okay, you guys, welcome back to another episode of Gadget. Today I have the ProCase Gear travel bag. So I pretty much picked this up from Amazon, and then on the side here I just have microfiber cleaning cloths. So moving on, we're gonna get into this travel bag, and basically we're just gonna see what all we can pack in here. So I just wanted to open this up with y'all. So as you can see, they have multiple colors, by the way. I have this I got this one in black. You have a variety of colors out there for this particular travel bag. So right here, we just have very it's just a cloth. It's nothing, could be water resistant a little bit, maybe. I wouldn't get it too wet because then it may just kind of feel, you know how you ever had something that got wet and it felt like that for a long period of time when it got like drenched. So, you know, I wouldn't say, so to speak, like if you leave it outside, you'll be fine, especially with your tech products in here anyway. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and open this. As you can see, it's just a like a nylon, you know, band around it to keep it closed. And I'm gonna set this to the side right here. And as you can see, we just have multiple components or compartments. We just have multiple compartments inside. So basically we have the zipper over here for just pretty much anything small. And if you want to fit multiple things inside, you can definitely do it here, as well as on this side as well. So as you can see, we have these little openings in these straps or these bands right here. So that's 3. So basically, me personally, what I might do, I'm gonna try to fill this up with as many things as I normally carry. I don't carry a whole lot. So we got a little mesh, 3 mesh slots right here for some accessories. Then we have these 2 right here pouches, you know, on each side. And then we have another zipper that's just one long pouch. You know, so on this side is 2 separate ones. I'm not sure if y'all can see the stitching that separates these 2, but on this side is just one long pouch with the zipper. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with some things, see if what I have around that I would normally carry as well, or just I can carry an extra of that item, and then we're gonna check it out and see how it looks. All right. Okay, guys, we're back, and now I have this travel bag packed to pretty much with everything I would use. So I'm gonna move this off to the side so you can get a better view of just what's gonna be in here. So this is just typically what I carry. And like I said, there will be more in here that you can probably add a little bit, but let's just go ahead and dive in so you can take a look at what I normally carry every day. So right here, as we have it, this is pretty much all the compartments that can be used. And again, you can use this as however it best fits your need. But let's go ahead and dive into the first zipper pouch right here at the very top. And again, we're gonna go from top to bottom. So right here, what I have is a USB-C cable. And this is just what it came with my 2-in-1 official Samsung power bank. So it's basically I just use a small cable. You know, sometimes you don't need a extremely long cable and you just want to have that can reach at enough distance to not have long cables all over the place. So I typically carry something short like this, and it really helps and minimize the clutter. So the next one we have is a micro USB cable, short cable cord. And basically same thing. You want to keep it nice, neat, and clean. I carry this because I still have devices that uses micro USB. So this is something I need. Like I said, if I don't need it to be, if I'm not using it and it just needs charging, this is what this is for. Okay, so we're gonna move on right here. As you can see, like this area, you can definitely use it for whatever you want. But I carry pens. So this is where I would keep my pens right here. And I just have, you know, regular black, a 2-in-1 pen that's a stylus also. and then I have a blue pen. Now right here at the bottom, I don't know if you can really like see this area right here, but very well. But I would use just slide some micro SD cards right here. To me, this is definitely suitable for that. I would just have them right here available for my use. But that's just an idea. Again, if you think of something else, you can definitely add that in there. So moving on down to further down the travel bag, we have a wall adapter. And this one is just a small, so compact. I love this wall adapter. It's amazing. It's best for my use. And basically, I love the foldable plugs so that you can easily pack this away. And this is by Rave Power. So it has the two ports that you can use. You can charge two devices if you don't want to use a portable bank, or if your portable bank is being used by other devices. This way, I may use this to charge up my iPad. That way I'll have a wall adapter and a longer cord that I can use and still use my iPad. So I carry this around. So now, okay, next towards the bottom of this pouch, I have a wireless charger, and this is just a small wireless charger. It's only 5 watts, nothing major. So you may just want to have a device charging up on the side, and you're not going to use it for a while, but it can just wirelessly charge. Or if you have somebody that has Qi compatible device that can charge wirelessly, then you can give them this, and that way, you know, you still have your other accessories to use. Okay, so moving on down to the zipper pouch down here. That open. Okay, so normally what I carry a lightning cable with me for my iPad. So this one is a 6-foot wall adapter, or you know, just something that, you know, we can still use the device as it's charging. So this is definitely something I need and I carry with me on a daily basis. So we have that one, and we're gonna move on to, if I can get it out. This is a 6-foot, I believe, micro USB cable as well. So basically same thing. I can still use it and it's still charging and accessible for my needs. Okay, and as is already slid out here. So this is a, actually I'm keeping 2 microfiber cleaning cloths with me. I just like to have a backup of everything. So, you know, eventually when one gets dirty, you can go ahead and switch out to the next one and maybe dispose the other one if you want to. And that way you will never be without one, and then you can just replenish them. Because like I said, that 18 pack is going to be great for me. I can use those for a while. One thing I want to note and point out to you, these have individual packing. So I love that about these, because that way they don't, you know, be collecting dust, debris, whatever, as they're in the bag. I will personally, me knowing me who I am, I'll probably, once I use them, kind of dust them off a little bit and then slide them back in their packs. But this is definitely nice to have individual packing. I always love that. Details, I have a keen eye for it. But that's pretty much it, you guys. That's what I normally carry. But anyway, let me know what you think about this video. If it's some suggestions you have for me to incorporate in my everyday carry, or if you have any other questions, please leave those questions down in the comment section below. If you like this video, share it with others. Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. That's fine. I do accept good criticism. And also make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for when I upload videos. You'll be the first to check them out. But anyway, y'all have a good one. I appreciate you being here and watching this video with me. Thanks. Peace.